If you've felt slightly softer since retiring, less structured, less sharp, less driven, this video is your reset. Retirement doesn't have to weaken you. But strength after 60 is no longer automatic. It becomes intentional. After years in nursing, I noticed a powerful pattern. The retirees who stayed mentally sharp and physically steady weren't lucky. They rebuilt structure on purpose. Today, I'm giving you a simple, realistic retirement reset plan. 7 ways to rebuild strength, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Let's begin. Reset number 1, reclaim your mornings. Mornings set neurological tone. Wake up at a consistent time. Dress intentionally. Do not let pajamas become your daily uniform. Get light exposure early. Move your body within the first hour. Don't drift into the day. Enter it. Reset number 2, schedule movement, not when I feel like it. At work, movement was built in. Now it must be protected. Walking groups. Strength training. Yoga. Gardening. It doesn't matter what. It matters that it's scheduled. Consistency protects muscle. Muscle protects independence. Create one weekly responsibility where someone counts on you. Not casually. Not optionally. Responsibility rebuilds identity. Mentor someone. Volunteer. Help organize something. Teach what you know. When someone expects you, you rise differently. Introduce controlled discomfort. Comfort is pleasant. But prolonged comfort shrinks resilience. Take a class. Learn technology. Join a group where you're not the expert. Speak publicly. Growth restores cognitive elasticity. Protect social rhythm. Not occasional lunch. Rhythm. A weekly gathering. A standing commitment. A recurring activity. Isolation weakens quietly. Consistency protects emotionally. Reset number 6, challenge your brain deliberately. Reading alone is not enough. Engage actively. Debate. Write. Teach. Learn something new. Solve real problems. The brain rewards friction. Underuse accelerates decline. Reset number 7, define your next identity. Not who you were. Who you are building. Retirement is not subtraction. It is transition. If you don't define your next chapter, drift will define it for you. Ask yourself, who am I becoming now? Active. Leader. Mentor. Builder. Connector. Identity drives behavior. Behavior drives strength. Let me be clear. This is not about staying busy. It's about staying activated. Activation preserves dignity. Activation protects independence. Everything shared here is for educational awareness only. If you are experiencing persistent physical or emotional changes, consult a licensed healthcare professional. But if what you need is a reset, it starts with deliberate structure. This week, choose 3 of these 7. Don't plan. Schedule. Action restores momentum. Retirement can expand you. But only if you decide to grow forward. If this resonates, subscribe to Care Before Crisis. We focus on preventing decline before crisis, strengthening independence before emergency, and aging with intentional strength. Because strong retirement doesn't happen by default. It happens by design. Care Before Crisis.